to start off, you're going to need a special tool to get off the inner tie rods. So this is a inner tie rod removal tool. You can rent one of these from Advance, AutoZone, O'Reilly's, places like that. They also make other different types. So yours may not look exactly like this, but we'll show you how to use this. So the way this tool works is once you find your size, you want to come right up on top. So this is how you find your size. All right, so that fits there. So now I'll put it on the new part, and that fits right in there as well. So you want this part here to fit right into that slot, and that's pretty much how this is going to work. And then this piece here slides over this and locks into here, and at the end you could put a breaker bar on, or a ratchet at the end of here, and that's how you're going to get this to turn counterclockwise and start to get those threads removed. So this is my setup right here. You can see I have my tool all the way on there. I have my right side selected. So now I can go ahead and try just a regular wrench for now and see if that's enough power to get that off. If not, then I'll move to a breaker bar. Okay, so I was able to get it loose, and you can see in real time how this tool works. So I can actually just pretty much pull this off right now and just finish turning this out by hand. Just like that. All right, so we got the old part out. So now we're gonna put the new part in. So before I do that, I'm gonna put a little bit of anti-seize on the end right here, and then get that turned in. Of course, I'm not gonna be able to get it tight. I'm just gonna be able to get it in, you know, hand tight, and then we'll take the tool and use the tool to finish tightening it up. So I have it in there as tight as my hands can get it. So now I'm gonna get the tool out and prepare the tool over top. So just like before, we have the tool on there, but we have to tighten. So let's go ahead and tighten this up now. All right, guys, so that is it. That is how you use an inner tie rod removal tool